Guys, welcome to the Tattoo Sewer. So today we have got something super special. Well, I have, I'm just letting you share. So what it is I've accidentally bought a vintage sewing machine, but it was only 20 quid, so I haven't looked at it yet. I'm super excited, so we are going to have a look at it together and see if I can get it working. Now bear with me while I pick it up because boy, it is super heavy. Check out the case. I remember my nan having one of these. I don't know what the sewing machine looked like inside that my nan had, but I remember seeing one of these in the hallway in brown. So it's quite nostalgic for me because I really got on well with my nan. So I'm really looking forward to opening it up and seeing what's inside. So shall we just go for it? Happy clap! Alright, let's see if we can work it out. How cool. Let's turn it round. Yeah. We've even got the instruction manual. How exciting. I've no idea if it works. We've still got a needle, so that's good. Pedal. So here we've got a metal pedal, and believe me, that is not light. How cool is that? Oh man, this is so exciting. Right, so let's have a look what we've got. I've no idea how to thread it. Oh, look. We've even got the original needles. Oil. Nothing in it, but you know, it's nice to have a retro oil pot just hanging around your gaff. High grade lubricant indeed. We have got bobbin, so that's good. Original bobbin with the thread still inside. I just love all this, it shows that it's been previously used and loved. Another one. The customary bit of fluff that you get with every single sewing machine, new or old. What else we got? Scissors. Now I think scissors have moved on a bit from this because these look like the sort of thing I used to use at school. So I don't think I'll be using those, but again, very nice thing to have, a little retro vintage pair of scissors. So what I'm going to do now is have a quick look at it, look at the instructions, see if I can get it up and going, and then I'll come back. So what I'm going to do now is have a quick play with it, try and thread it up, use the instructions, and then we can try and see if it works together. So I'll see you in a mo. Okay, I think I've threaded it. The instructions aren't very clear, so I've kind of gone a bit on what I know, but I'm not sure if I do know because I've never used a machine this old. So we're going to plug it in. Whoa! How the hell do I turn that off? Well, we know it works, but where's the on-off switch? Bear with, bear with. Let's look at the instructions again. Yeah, but where's the on-off? I might be a while. I'll be back in a mo. So, slight change in plan. I've looked on YouTube, I've read these instructions, I've looked over it, I've faffed about with it, and I just don't bloody know how to turn it on and off. I can thread it, I can do the bobbin, I can see the stitch length, I can see the tension, but I can't see how to turn it on and off. And obviously that's a bit of a problem. So what I've decided to do now is I'm going to give it all a big clean up, and then I've got a very good friend of mine who's got lots of vintage sewing machines, so I'm going to ask her the question and she will say it's something super easy that I should know and probably laugh at me. So I'm going to get cracking on, I'm going to give it a nice good clean, and then I'll give you a little look round and you can just see how awesome this machine looks, because I can't wait to get started on it and have a go and see what I can make with something my nan would have used. Well, that was slightly anticlimactic, but I will get it going, and then I'll do another video of me making something using this beauty. I'm super pleased with it. It was only 20 quid. It looks ace. We know it's working. I just don't know how to turn the flipping thing on or off. But yeah, how exciting. And it's very nostalgic for me, as I said, because my nan had one. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to having a go with it. So hope you enjoyed that little anticlimactic video there. But just goes to show you can pick up a bargain, and yeah, happy hunting if you like this kind of thing. And hopefully you'll get to see me making something with it pretty soon. So have a great day, see you soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, all that malarkey, and I'll see you soon. Bye.